In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Stochastic OTT Tracker in TradingView Pro. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and that you have your chart open. It doesn't matter which market you're looking at, you just need a chart on the screen so we can start adding the indicator. Look towards the top of your TradingView interface, just above the chart, and find the button labeled Indicators. This is where all of TradingView's built-in tools and custom scripts live. Go ahead and click on Indicators. When you do that, a panel will pop up over your chart. This is your main hub for searching and managing everything you want to add to your analysis. Inside this panel, you'll see a search box at the top. Click directly into that search box so you can start typing. This is the fastest way to find exactly what you're looking for, instead of scrolling through a long list of indicators. Now, in the search bar, type Stochastic OTT. As you type, TradingView will start filtering the results below. Give it a second to load if your internet is a bit slow. Once the results appear, look for the Stochastic OTT Tracker in the list. It may be under Community Scripts or a particular author, depending on how it's published, but the key is that the name includes Stochastic OTT. When you see it, click on it once. TradingView will automatically add it to your chart. You should now see the indicator appear either in a separate panel below your price chart or overlaid on your existing chart, depending on how it's designed. If it doesn't show up right away, double check that it has a check mark next to it in the indicators panel and make sure you're not zoomed too far in or out on your chart. From here, you can customize it just like any other indicator. Hover over its name on the chart, click on the settings icon and adjust the inputs or visual style to match your trading preferences. Take a moment to play with the settings so you understand how it reacts to different markets and timeframes. If you want to unlock more features and get the full TradingView Pro experience, including better layout options and faster data, make sure to use the affiliate link in the description. It helps support the channel at no extra cost to you and gives you a smoother workflow when using indicators like the Stochastic OTT Tracker.